Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 6 best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2026, covering everything from lightning-fast switches to stunning ARGB designs. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just want a keyboard that feels amazing to type on, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's find your perfect keyboard. On number 6 is AULA Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a compact 75% layout designed for gamers and productivity users, featuring hot-swappable pre-lubed Reaper switches, ARGB backlighting, and a convenient rotary knob for media control. Its solid build with side-printed PB to keycaps feels premium, while versatile connectivity via 2.4 GHz, USB-C, and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures smooth performance across devices. In real-world use, it delivers responsive, quiet keystrokes and reliable wireless performance, offering better customization than similar keyboards like the Keychron K3, though slightly pricier. Overall, it's ideal for users who want a feature-rich, portable mechanical keyboard, and I'd recommend it for both gaming and productivity. On number 5 is Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is designed for gamers and heavy typists, featuring hot-swappable red switches, 11 programmable backlit modes, anti-ghosting, and durable double-shot PB keycaps for reliable performance. Its build quality feels solid, keys are responsive, and the customizable lighting adds both style and functionality, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions or work. Compared to competitors like the Razer Black Widow, it offers similar features at a more affordable price, though it lacks some premium software customization options. Overall, it's a great value for budget-conscious gamers seeking durability and versatility, and I'd recommend it to anyone wanting a reliable mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. On number 4 is CoolKiller Transparent Mechanical Keyboard. The CoolKiller CK98 is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and content creators, featuring a transparent chassis, OLED display, hot-swappable gasket-mounted ice-blade linear switches, and tri-mode connectivity via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, or USB-C. Its build quality is premium, offering a satisfying typing experience with smooth key presses, minimal wobble, and vibrant ARG lighting that enhances both aesthetics and usability. Compared to a competitor like the Keychron K8, it provides more advanced customization with its OLED display and gasket-mounted design, though at a slightly higher price point. Overall, it's ideal for users who value style, wireless flexibility, and high-performance typing. And I'd recommend it to anyone seeking a feature-rich, visually striking mechanical keyboard. On number 3 is SteelSeries Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex 5 is designed for gamers seeking a balance of performance and style, featuring hybrid blue switches, per-key RGB illumination, and an aircraft-grade aluminum frame for durability. Its OLED smart display adds a unique touch for in-game info and customization, while the keys feel responsive and comfortable for long sessions. Compared to competitors like the Corsair K70 RGB, it offers similar tactile feedback and lighting options but stands out with its OLED interface and hybrid switch design. Overall, it's a high-quality, feature-rich keyboard suited for both gaming and productivity, recommended for users who want customization and premium build without going to the top-tier price range. On number 2 is Womier Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Womier SK80 is a compact 75% keyboard aimed at gamers and productivity users, featuring a hot-swappable gasket-mounted design, pre-lubed stabilizers, and a colorful multimedia display that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. Its creamy sound profile and smooth key action make typing and gaming feel satisfying, while the ARGB customization adds a personal touch. Compared to competitors like the Keychron Q1, it offers similar build quality and typing feel, with the added advantage of the multimedia display and pre-lubed stabilizers out of the box. Overall, it's an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a premium-feeling, customizable keyboard that performs well in real-world use, recommended for both Mac and Windows users. On number 1 is MageGee Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The MageGee 60% keyboard is a compact, portable option ideal for gamers and office users, featuring 68 keys with red switches and vibrant LED backlighting for both style and functionality. Its build is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to transport without compromising typing or gaming performance. Compared to competitors like the RK61, it offers similar tactile feedback and key response, though it leans more toward basic connectivity without advanced software customization. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly choice for users seeking a minimalist, responsive keyboard for Windows, Mac, or laptop use, and I'd recommend it for both work and casual gaming. And that's a wrap on the 6 best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2026. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest gaming gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and game on!